How to fix we can't sign into your account error on Windows 10. Warning, before doing anything, use an external drive to save any work. Here are some tips that may allow you to fix we can't sign into your account. 1. Check if you signed in your Windows 10 with some temporary profile. Access registry editor at computer/hkey_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version /profile list through Windows Safe Mode, http://bit.ly/2ezqqg3. Go through each S1. folder and locate any corrupted username in profile image path. Once you find the correct S1-5 folder, open the state item, then change the value data to 0. Under the same subfolder, locate ref_count then change its value data to 0. Close registry editor and restart your Windows 10 PC. Plan B, find that S. -5-21XXX. Key then select then delete that key. Note, delete the S1-5-21XXX, which contains only your account name at profile image path. Locate which S1-5-21XXX. Subkey contains C:\users\% account name.computer name %sign at profile image path. Remove the dot from the computer name under the value data box. Make hidden files appear temporarily. Copy 4 files. Antisir.dat. Antisir.dat.log1, Antisir.dat.log2 and Antisir.ini, from the C:\users\% account name.computer name %sign folder and paste them to the C:\users\% account name %sign folder. Restart your computer. Sign out from the administrator account and log in with your account. Plan C, locate the folder that has the profile image path that points to C users. It usually ends in .back. Delete the whole subfolder. 2. Recover your account through safe mode on Windows 10. Note, release the shift key only when you see the please wait message on your display. In safe mode, see if you go through the login screen as usual. If not, boot back to safe mode and temporarily disable all the antivirus installed on your Windows 10 computer. Input services.msc. In the Run box. Locate then disable two services, Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection and Microsoft Defender Antivirus. If we can't into your account error continues, check your apps list and use the recommended uninstall tool to effectively remove any unknown applications from your system. 3. Create a new, admin, user account. Then copy all your old folders or personal stuff - paste everything into your new profile folder. 4. Restart your device in normal mode and sign in again with your original profile. 5. Run chkdsk in command line as administrator. Run the system file checker, sfc/scano, as administrator. 6. Change the password of the problem. account. 7. Run the following commands as admin: net user insert name / add example, net user Madeline / add net local group administrators insert name / add net share conf *c / grant user account name full net user account name 8. Install the latest Windows updates under Windows Safe Mode W / networking. 9. Refresh documents location, locate the directory where you save your stuff and click once on it. On the top of the File Explorer, click to the right of the directory list. A text with the directory location will appear: /users /left yo user right /documents. Copy this location text /user /left yo user right /documents, then close Windows 10 File Explorer. Paste the location text on the field right above the buttons, then press the Apply button. Restart your own computer. 10. Create a temporary profile and install Windows updates. 11. Create a temporary profile, then try signing into your Microsoft account using a web browser. 12. Open Registry Editor, then go to /users /default /software /Microsoft /identity crl /stored identities. Locate your account, and delete it. Now close Registry Editor. Add your account later. Other voices on the web. 1. Remove third-party antivirus security program using the recommended uninstall tool. 2. Remove recently installed Windows 10 Update, S. 3. Restore Windows 10 to an earlier build. 4. Restore your computer to an earlier state using System Restore. 5. Scan your system for virus and malware using the recommended Avast Internet Security. Last but not least, you may also consider resetting your Windows machine or installing Windows 10 from scratch.